Okay, let us solve the nonlinear ordinary differential equation y dy over dx plus 5y equal to x squared with initial value of y of 0 equal to 1. Okay, so for our solutions, our x values are from x equal to 0 to x equal to 10 with plots of the solutions. Okay, so this is our nonlinear differential equations y times y prime uh, plus 5 times y equal to x squared. So our initial value is y of 0 equal to 1. Our x values are from 0 to 10 here. So let us plot this using the Mathematica. So we have this. Okay. So the solutions are given below. So we have here the solutions, x and y values here. We have x and we have the y values here. So the first value of x equal to 0, the first value of y is equal to 1. If x equal to 0, y equal to 1 here. Then for our table here, so let us uh, arrange them in table. So we have the solution here. Now we have the first value of y here equal to 1. Then x here from 0 to 10. We have the step size here equal to 0.1 in our table form. So let us plot the y of x here using the solutions from x equal to 10 here. So we have this. We have here the plot of all the solutions. So solution of y here. Okay, so let us solve this problem using the Python. So in Python, we have to first import the NumPy as NP from SciPy that integrate import the ODE here, the ordinary differential equations, then import also the matplot lib here by plot as PLDT. All right, so for our model here, yx and dy dt is x squared minus 5y over y. Okay, so our derivative of y with respect to time here. Okay, so it also means derivative of y with respect to x. So they just denote by dy dt. So our initial value is y sub 0 equal to 1. And our x here is from 0 to 10. So we have the numpy here and point line space from 0 to 10. So our ordinary differential equation here is the model here. So we have here the ordinary differential equations, the model. So we start with the y sub 0 equal to 1. Then we have the values of y from 0 to 10. So we have to plot the x and the solution here. So B here, it means the color is blue. Then we have the label y of x here. So this one. Then we have the legends here, best locations, this one. Then x level here is the x. And we have the grid here. And we have to show the plot here using this one. Okay. So when we run the program here, so we have the graph here. So it is the same as the graph given by Mathematica. Okay, so we have the same explanation here. So we have to import NumPy as NP from SciPy that integrate, import ordinary differential equations. Then you have to import matplotlib that pyplot as PLD. Okay, so we have the we have to define the model here, yx. So we have the dy dt. Our derivative of y with respect to x here is x squared minus 5y over y. Then return the dy dt. So the first value of y here is equal to 1. So the values of x is from 0 to 10. So we have here the 100. Okay, so we have to, from 0 to 10, so we have to divide that by 100. Okay, so that's our step size here. That is zero point 0.1. Then we have the solution here of the ordinary differential equations. Y sub 0, the first value of y. We have the x here. So for I and range, so we have the length here equal to x from uh, from 0 to 10. Then we have x equal to, so we have the value of I here from I equal to 0 to, uh, okay, so for I here in range ln x, our I here is from 0 to 9. So our number of decimal places here is equal to 4. So I is from 0 to 9, and our values of x have 4 decimal places. So also for the solution y have 4 decimal places. So I from is from 0 to 9. So we have to plot now x and the solutions. The b here means the blue color. So we have the label here y of x in the vertical y-axis. Then we have the legends here. Uh, Location is in the best location, so meaning that there should be no overlapping. Then for the x level here, we have the x. Then we have also the grid here. Then we have to show the plot here. So we have the x and y values here. Now, if we plot the x and y values, we have this. Okay.